In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a design in Canva. If you want to duplicate an existing design so you can edit a new version without changing the original, Canva makes that process very simple. This is especially useful when you want to reuse the same layout, keep a backup of your current version, or create multiple variations of the same project. To begin, open Canva and make sure you're on the main dashboard or home screen where your designs are visible. If you already know which project you want to duplicate, you can go straight to the area where it's saved, whether that's in your recent designs, a folder, or another section of your account. Next, open your project or locate the design you want to copy. Take a moment to confirm that it's the correct file before duplicating it, especially if you have several similar designs. Making a copy is a good idea when you want to experiment with changes, but still keep the original untouched. Once you've found the design, right-click on it if you're using a computer. This should open a small menu with additional options related to that project. In that menu, look for the option that says Make a Copy and select it. Canva will then create a duplicate of that design for you. If right-clicking isn't convenient, or if you prefer using the on-screen controls, you can also select the three dots next to the design. This opens the same kind of options menu. From there, choose Make a Copy. The duplicated version will usually appear in your designs with the same content as the original, often with a label that indicates it has been copied. After the copy is created, you can open it and begin editing freely. This allows you to update text, images, colors, or layout elements without affecting the original version. It's a simple but very helpful feature for organizing your work and speeding up your design process. That's all you need to do to copy a design in Canva. Once you get used to it, duplicating projects can become a quick part of your workflow whenever you need a fresh version of an existing design.